this is my Canva. I go to, the first one we're going to do is we're going to upload. If I have a bunch of images I want to upload, I go to my projects. Inside my projects folder, I create a specific folder that says assets. So inside my assets, I've collected all of my workbooks, and all my workbooks have folders. So inside the workbooks, these are all the workbooks that I've created. I want to upload a new workbook that I've created. I have a cover that I want to keep track of. So I go to my downloads folder. It's in here. I've already downloaded it. And so I'm gonna select it. All I did is selected it in my download folder and I drag it into Canva. You could do that. Okay. So that's organizing and uploading images.
Okay.
And then show us how you add those to a design.
Right.
Right. So I'm going to a design. I'll just do that one. So I go to a design. I'm going to go to projects. You could, these are this here, you could go here, but these are like recent uploads, right? So if you, I'm just going to go to projects. Inside my projects folder, right? I can go to folders. And here I know it's going to be the assets that I wanted. So inside the assets, I have my workbook folder, and this is where I uploaded it, and then I can add it from here. So there's another way to upload into the folder. You can also upload from here. I want to upload files, and it'll take you to wherever I am, right? So I'm not gonna upload. I will upload. I'll do that, right? You could do that, and it uploads to the new folder. However, if I go to um my download folder and I can drag it into it, you see that? So it will show you drop items to upload, and then I uploaded it. So there's many ways to organize. You just got to find a way that you like.